In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whiten teeth and eyes in Adobe Photoshop, focusing specifically on techniques for retouching and enhancing the brightness of teeth and eyes in your images. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to achieve a natural and radiant look in no time. So grab your favorite photo editing software and let's dive right in. First things first, we'll start by adding the image you want to work on into Photoshop. This is your canvas, and getting the right picture is crucial. Open Photoshop, and under the File menu, click on Open to select your image. You can also just drag and drop your image directly into Photoshop. Make sure the photo is of good quality to get the best results when it comes to retouching. Next, it's important to work in a non-destructive manner. So we'll add a new layer to preserve the original image. Over in the Layers panel, click on the new layer icon at the bottom. This layer will be used to apply all of our edits, allowing for easy adjustments later on if needed. Now that we have everything set up, it's time to select the brush tool from your toolbar. Once you've done that, make sure to choose a soft brush. The softness will help the edits blend seamlessly into the photo, creating a more natural finish. You can adjust the softness of the brush by right-clicking on the canvas and moving the hardness slider accordingly. To make sure our edits look realistic, the next step is to adjust the brush opacity. Set the opacity to around 30%. You might wonder why 30%. Well, this helps ensure that the edits are applied subtly, maintaining a naturally white yet realistic appearance in the teeth and eyes by gradually building up the effect rather than overwhelming it with harsh whiteness. Now, gently brush over the teeth, being careful to stay within the lines. If you make a mistake, simply use the undo option with Ctrl+Z or Command+Z if you're on a Mac, or use the eraser tool to tidy up any areas. Play around with the brush size as needed to match different areas of the teeth. Once you're satisfied with the whitening effect, you may want to adjust the blending mode of the layer to get a more refined look. This is an optional step. To do this, select the layer and experiment with different blending modes like overlay or soft light to see which one achieves the look you desire. And there you have it, a beautifully enhanced smile and twinkly eyes, all done with a few simple steps in Photoshop. Take a moment to save your finished masterpiece by going to File, Save As, and choosing your preferred file format. With these techniques, any image can gain a fresh, polished look effortlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!